had to choose a sound or a noise, it would probably have to be...
I love the sound of paper.
Oh god, this is gonna sound weird, but I like the sound of people talking during a movie because it makes me laugh.
I would have to say that one of my favorite noises is the noises that little puppies make.
Either pen on paper or crumpling paper or tearing paper.
My favorite sound has to be when you're working in After Effects, and especially if it's a long project and it's taken a while to render. When it's finally done, it gives you this really friendly ringing sound.
Crickets.